make soya kebabs, here are the boiled peas. First I'll mash this up. So with a potato masher, just mash this up. And then this is approx 100 grams. And after this is mashed up, I'll mix up all the ingredients. You can use frozen peas or fresh peas. Just make sure that it is well cooked and it gets mashed up easily. Now here you can see the peas are done. This is the consistency. If you are left whole, so that's not an issue. That's completely fine. So now I'll mix up all the ingredients. So here in a mixing bowl, this is soya granules which I had soaked around 1 hour before, and then I have just squeezed out the water. So this I'll add. This is around 150 grams of soya granules. The mashed up green peas. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and half tablespoon of ginger paste. So I'll just add all to this. 1 bowl of gram flour. Around a bowl of bread. This is the fresh bread which I have broken into as small as I can, and so I'll add that. You can also use bread crumbs. Now for dry spices, here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is garam masala around 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of amchur powder, and salt to taste. So I'll add all to this. Now here I'll start mixing this together. It should get mixed up easily. I'll also add a bowl of finely chopped green coriander leaves. Now mix this well. The soya granules and green peas have water, quite a lot of moisture into it. So it should be well enough to bind all the things together. I'll also add a tablespoon of green chili paste. This mixture is ready. You can check when you take a small lump and you just start to bind together. It should bind together. And after it is rolled well, just in between your palms, just flatten it a bit. And now this will go for frying. And serve it with your chutney, whatever you like. And this will really be divine. You can also make soya seekh kebabs. So this is really very good starter for your guests and all. You can really impress them. In a heated pan, add oil, and I'll be frying the kebabs. I'll be shallow frying, so add oil accordingly. When the oil is medium hot, just put in the kebabs and I'll fry this till they are golden brown in color and crispy. Fry it on a medium heat. Once one side is done, just flip it over and fry the other side. When both the sides are well fried, just remove it in a plate and serve it with your chutney or sauce.